What's up, everybody? Dr. Scott James Meyer here with another lecture for you. Let's get into it. All right, AI in legal writing. What are the best practices? How are we going to do this? So much has been said about AI and AI tools. You've heard a lot about it at your current place of employment. You've heard about it when you were in school as a student, perhaps in another program. You hear about it in the news. AI is there. It's here to stay. The question is, how do we ethically use it in a way that respects our humanity and the humanity of our clients who are coming to us, paying money, asking for expertise and advice, but then also utilizing, being a good steward of the technology that is available? And how do we use this best and most in our classes? What do I expect from you? Well, if you check out the announcement within the modules on Blackboard, you're going to see an AI use policy of how I want you to think about these things. What is plagiarism? What isn't? So give that a good read. Reach out if you have any questions. But the main point here is, in legal research and writing, we use AI as a tool to collect, to find, to even collate legal sources, cases. Okay, there is nothing wrong ethically, and there's nothing shameful. It's not cheating. It's not a shortcut to ask an AI tool to collect for you all of the given known resources regarding a certain case law statute in the area of maritime litigation, for example. This is simply saving you the time of going to a law library, either in person or digitally, and tracking down all of these cases. Now, you ask AI to collect these cases. You will type in, you will tell it, please tell me all of the maritime litigation cases pertinent and relevant to this issue here in Texas, here in the Gulf of Mexico, here in this region or this federal court, whatever exactly you're looking for. Nothing wrong with that. AI will help you narrow that down. Now, once you have those cases, all right, you've got them. You've got a list. You've got a bunch of PDFs saved. You've printed out some. You know where to go to read them. Now, as far as I'm concerned, and what I expect from you, what the partners at your law firms you're working for expect from you, now you're done with AI and it's time to use your natural, your true organic intelligence. And I want you to read them, analyze them, parse out the info, digest them, meditate on them like a human being who has a brain and who has faculties and competencies. And now that human element is going to shine, right? So you use AI to bring you cases. Then you use your real intelligence, your real gifts, your real passion, your humanity. Then you dig into the cases and you apply your creativity, your intellect, and then you find what's next. Then you perform your analysis. Then you reason like a paralegal, like a legal professional, like a lawyer from there, right? So you see the difference? We use AI to help bring us cases, then we use our actual intelligence to go through them and see what's relevant. And in doing so, find the best way to complete our assignments ethically, honestly, and to help our clients. All right, that's what's up. That is AI in legal research. Appreciate it. Have a good day.